back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Valerie for those of you who are new, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. If you read the title of the video, you already know what's about to go down. I'm going to show you guys how I do my DIY sugar waxing. So I've always used razors, but I want to try something different. I want to try something different. Also because waxing is more effective in removing hair, and apparently it thins out the hair as time goes on. So eventually you'll stop growing hair. What's crazy? So I'm going to show you guys how I make my DIY wax. And if you want to see that, please continue watching. Let's get into the video. Right, so what I love about this recipe is that it's super easy. Anybody can do it. We're going to use a cup of sugar, brown or white. We're going to use some lemon juice, fresh or bottled, and we're going to use a 1/4 cup of water. Okay, and then we're just going to transfer everything into the saucepan before we put it onto the stove and give it a little bit of a stir just to combine everything so that we don't have lumps. We're going to do this also before we turn the heat on. Right over here we are, it's on the heat, and we're giving it one last stir before we leave it to simmer. So what you want to do is you want to put it not too high, not too low. So my stove goes up to 6 and I put it in the middle around 4. And you want to have a bowl of ice water ready. This is the trick that I use to check whether my wax is ready or not. So how you do this is you take a teaspoon, put a little bit of it in the cold water if you can mold it. And if it holds its shape and it's also still mushy, then that's how you know that it's ready. So this is me just playing with it, making sure that it's ready before we put it into its final resting place, literally, because we're going to transfer it into a container so that it can rest. Thank you so much, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, as well as leave a comment down below. Let me know what you enjoyed. Let me know if you're going to try it at home, and don't forget to follow me on my socials right over here, and I will see you in the next video.